to take power.
0 0 0 0 Not done. What's the one? Listen to Paul. Get some more. Listen. Whopper, 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 cheaper, double, triple, whopper, flavor, taste, and purring, toppers, I will stay. Next may open, cool, catch up, it's okay. I don't know what I'm possible, think you're already walking my way. You will see the day, every day, having your way. You will see the day, every day, having your way. It's okay if I don't want it possible. Make it already walking my way. You rule your time today. I know what's something new. I love this. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. You just I watch. It's actually cool. I hope you can hear it.
New fairy scent boosters.
I'll forget if you Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Star, Mr. Beast. Mr. Mr. Beast, Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Ready? The final boss! It's Mr. Beast! It's Mr. Beast! You are final now! It's Mr. Beast! It's Mr. Beast! It's Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! I wanna watch a new video.
If you've been watching football on Sundays, or have been on the internet at all, you've definitely heard Burger King's new commercial. It seems like it's been played over and over and over and over and over again, endlessly. It's scary how fast this jingle infiltrated our lives and has us thinking about Whoppers non-stop. But at the same time, it's pretty fascinating. I mean, Burger King went from being essentially irrelevant in the public's eye to being the center of attention in just a few months, all because of one commercial. So,
hey, what? Here, listen to this. The king who's on a budget, they have to feed the nuggets. Wait, that could be right. Let's